Hi, I'm so glad that you decided to shop at Melaleuca. Now, right now, I've got some exciting news. Melaleuca just gave you $100 to shop with. Now, I went over this in the overview, or somebody went over with it, but there's so much information. I want to show you exactly how you claim that money, what 35 product points looks like, and why we shop for 35 product points, okay? So, first of all, just a reminder, Melaleuca is a membership, and we agreed to do a couple things in order to get all of the services and features that Melaleuca has. What do? We pay a membership fee, and we agree to shop for 35 product points at least. That's what we do. That's all we have to do, membership fee. That fee lasts for 12 months. You can come and go as a shopper as you want. You're not paying that fee over and over. You're just paying it once. The second thing that all we have to do is we agree to shop for at least 35 points. Why points? Because we are an international company and I have customers that are in New Zealand and Australia, and I can't talk dollar, but I can talk points. So 35 points is about $80, $90 if you're shopping coming here instead of going to the grocery store, instead of going to Walmart. Remember, you're just bringing that money over to a different store. You have from the first of the month to midnight at the last day of the month to place an order. Now, I shop 2 or 3 times during the month. It's kind of like I would a regular store, right? So that's all we do. Pay a fee, pay 35 product points. What Melaleuca does for us is we're going to get 30 to 50% off our prices. We also have access to a lot of features, which there's another video giving you a store tour for that. But I want to share my screen and show you what it actually looks like to put the free products into your account and to do the 35 product points, because I want to make sure that you are using absolutely everything you possibly can to make this the best experience. So let me share my screen, and I have a new customer named Gina, and she said that I could use her account as an example. So when you first pop on here, you notice that Gina is a non-member. That's because she hasn't placed an order yet. These loyalty shopping dollars, this is how you earn extra money to apply to your product. Now, I can go to her cart, look, too. What happened? She's already put a couple products into her cart for free. She picked the coffee, and then she also wanted some Renew lotion. So let's go back to the product store. So when you first log into your account, it's going to say product store right here. And there's a big blue banner, and that big blue banner says your free products are waiting. Click claim yours now. And this is how you can claim your products. It says, thank you for joining Melaleuca. Now, she put some coffee into her account, right? There's one. She has $8.51 remaining. Or she can take that out and go, nope, I don't want to do that. Maybe I just want to add some laundry detergent. For this case, we're going to put the coffee back in there. What happens? Oh, we get a choice. Ground hazelnut. That's my favorite. Add to cart. Keep shopping. She's got $8.51. So that means she can get any of these things for $8.51 and then have to pay the balance. So these Simply Fruit nut and fruit clusters, the bomb. I have 3 bags in my house right now. I'm going to choose mango coconut, add to cart. Click it, add to cart. Keep shopping. Now, she had to pay a few pennies. She paid 48 cents for this bag, right? Okay, now we're going to go shopping for the things that we need. So I'm going to click on the menu bar, and we're going to go look for some things. Now, the first thing I encourage you to do is go to the new member savings packs. These are going to save you a ton of money. They absolutely will. This is not an auto ship company, so you don't have to do the packs. I did. I bought a home conversion pack because after I saw the overview, I don't want any of those toxins in my house. You're going to save 38% on 39 products. So I'm saving $208 by buying these. Customer favorites, EcoSense. These are amazing packs to have. If you love essential oils, this is the bomb. Look how much money you're saving. But for this experiment and this demonstration, I'm going to click on menu and I'm going to go to cleaning and laundry, and I'm going to click laundry. Okay. Now every product has a landing page. You're going to see this on the shopping tour, but let me just show you. Because I'm a member, I'm spending $28 versus $46. This is 9 times concentrated. Each one of these bottles, you'd have to have 2 big bottles of Tide. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. What am I going to choose? I'm going to choose Island Breeze and Mountain Fresh, and I'm going to add it to my cart. Now looky here, I have 23 product points. I need to keep shopping because in order for me to get my discounts, my getting those products at that member price, I'm agreeing to shop for at least 35 product points, right? So I'm going to keep shopping. Love this. This is replacing bleach. Replacing bleach. So I'm going to look, I get 2 of those. I'm at 30 product points. But you know, you guys, it's only a couple products. If you go to the grocery store last month, did you buy more than 2 products from Walmart? Yeah, you did. So I'm going to keep shopping. And this is just in the cleaning aisle, you guys, pre-spot. Dang, I'm going to save a dollar by buying the pack there. I'm going to do that. I'm at 35 product points. There, bam. Now I could keep shopping. Like I could add that pre-spot bottle. Let me do that, right? And I'm going to view my cart because I'm at my 35 product points. You guys, my last order was 169 product points. I cannot shop for just 35 because my commitment is to saving money. My commitment is to have healthier products that work better. So let me look at what's going on here. There's the Renew lotion that she had put in there before. Because she's a member, she's saving $8. Why is she a member? Because she's shopping for this 35 product points, right? That's why we're getting the discounts. Look, there's her product for free. There's her other product. She's getting a whole bag for 48 cents. Now she's used up her $20. She's got her laundry in there. Do I need a pump? Yeah, you guys, you need a pump because you only use one pump in the cart, right? But look at this. As a member, she is saving $52.56. Add that up a little bit, right? Add that up. If she just did this, like let's look at the calculator. $52.56 times 12. She's going to save $630 by shopping at Melaleuca if this is all she ever did. That's kind of amazing. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to proceed to checkout. So this is the key. 35 product points. This is what's giving her the discounts. Because of the 35 product points, she's saving $4 on this. Because of the 35 product points, she's saving $17 on her laundry, which is still less expensive than shopping at Walmart. You guys understand that this is less expensive and they're better products. Now here's the key. We're going to proceed to checkout and we're not done shopping. There's special offers. What? Yes. Do I want to buy a shampoo and conditioner? Nail, skin, and hair, skin, and nails. You guys get it. This is amazing. I always do this. Always, 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 always do this. I always buy these because I'm going to use them up. These are non-toxic dish cleaners, and a little bit goes a long ways. I always do the toothpaste. Collagen. This is the best collagen. It's absorbing through your body. Rub-on collagens don't work. Solumel is the bomb. I buy this every time it's on sale because I use it in my carpet cleaner. I use it everywhere. It's a stain remover, an odor remover. Absolutely amazing. 3 bags of coffee save $10. If this was my cart, bam, I'm doing it because this is good coffee. It's an antioxidant. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through here, all kinds of good stuff. I'm going to continue to check out. Now, this is where Gina would put in her information, her email address, all the form of payment, everything. Please choose an address, right? But her 35 points is $91. She's saving $52. Sometimes 35 points is $80. Sometimes it's this much. So it just kind of depends on the products, but it's about there. But look at this. She's also getting 2 products for free. That's pretty amazing. And she also got a bottle. So she's going to put in her information and click place an order. So I wanted to go through this. So I want to make sure you understand how that product points work and what we are getting for that. Plan out your shopping. Start writing things that you need rather than running to the store and now switch it to Melaleuca. And that's literally my job, is to help you have a new habit so that you save money, you get better products into your house, and you're getting those toxic chemicals. Bleach is toxic. Tide is toxic. All is toxic. DAP is toxic. They're bad. You do not want them on your clothes and in your house. So I hope that explains your 35 product point experience. Go shopping. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me or the person that enrolled you. Bye.